Fast life, the fast living. They see the ambition, they know I'm past driven. Look, we are not the same, this is not a game. I be swerving through the city in and out of lanes. Yeah, cause if I see it, then I want it, then you better know I got it. Ain't no options, I'm about to do the damn thing. I'm an outlaw, you can never catch me. I'm in first place, you can never. These are the moments, only got one life. This is your moment, whether wrong or right. You're your own enemy, your own enemy, your own enemy, yeah. When I fall, I keep running. Feel the pain, but I love it, yeah.
You know I'm built for it, you ain't gotta ask twice.
You ain't by that fast life, 100 on the dash with the cash light. You ain't by that fast life, big dog status with your stats like. You ain't by that fast life, just know 100 duffels at the bag price. You ain't by that fast life, 6 speed, yeah I'm smashing on the gas, gas, gas. It's a fast life. It's a fast life. Keeping it moving, don't switch up my code. Life full of circles, we out the A4. It's a fast life.
Look, yeah, I'm about to ride it till the wheels fall off. Yeah, I'm about to run the game, I ain't never dropping off. Let's be talking about a bag, put a duffel on the dash. She don't really but a swap, heavy foot up on the gas with it. Trunk tracks with the cash in it, passionate, long range when I'm passing it. All drive, I ain't stopping unless I'm crashing it. And even that wouldn't stop me from going after it. These are the moments, only got one life. This is your moment, whether wrong or right. You're your own enemy, your own enemy, your own enemy, yeah. When I fall, I keep running. Feel the pain, but I love it, yeah.
You know I'm built for it, you ain't gotta ask twice.
You ain't by that fast life, 100 on the dash with the cash light. You ain't by that fast life, big dog status with your stats like. You ain't by that fast life, just know 100 duffels at the bag price. You ain't by that fast life, 6 speed, yeah I'm smashing on the gas, gas, gas. It's a fast life. It's a fast life. Keeping it moving, don't switch up my code. Life full of circles, we out the A4. It's a fast life.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
2 different levels, I cannot relate. You never win if you playing it safe. It's all a game until you get played. You speaking so loud with nothing to say.
Hey, I'm betting it down on me. And they said they ride for me, and they talk so bad on me. I know there's no friends in this business. That's why I keep my family close. Let's go. Put in work and secure the bag, and then take it back to my folks.
It's been a cold, cold summer. Ice in my veins, but you know I'm about to warm up. Yo, it's been a cold, cold summer. Ice in my veins, but you know I'm about to warm up.
Time will only tell. You can try me if you want. Life can get real crazy. You can try me if you want. We gon' find out soon. We gon' find out soon.
Let the record play. We gon' find out soon.
Look me in my eyes. You can try me if you want. We don't got the same drive. You can try me if you want. We gon' find out soon. We gon' find out soon.
Let the record play. We gon' find out soon.
We gon' find out soon. Look, I'm in a solid state. We ain't got the same drive. I know it's hard for you. These moments make me feel alive.
Texas beatin', built different like a G5. If I'm not the one, you better doubt the 99.
Let me get back. All I do is win. I got dubs in rotation. See that I can lead. I should send the location.
Okay, find me on the hill, yeah, no miseducation. I never lost one, you get that dedication.
It's been a cold, cold summer. Ice in my veins, but you know I'm about to warm up. Yo, it's been a cold, cold summer. Ice in my veins, but you know I'm about to warm up.
Time will only tell. You can try me if you want. Life can get real crazy.
be shy, just keep them legs up. Let the meds drop, feel the bed rock. Let's get fucked up, keep your eyes shut. This is our vibe, let your mind run. Let the hit ride, take the highs off. Don't be shy, just keep them legs up. Let the meds drop. Let.
I don't usually do this. Dim the lights down, don't play stupid. Musta have me misconstrued. Need to get those thoughts computed. Cause when I enter the rave, I'm so low. Leave with a bitch, no new shit. And when I come to your ends, there's no beef. Everybody loves this movement. So I'm known to bust all the laughs. I talk the part, but sometimes over gas. You sport the brands, but don't show love for acts. But when we blow the comeback, that's a fact. It's like, please. At me again, chat me again when we gonna link online. Right now you need to pipe down, hit up the right crowd, don't waste my goddamn time. Right now I got the motion, my bars precocious, I make the beats at mine. If we need to meet, that's fine. Leave out the beef, go grind. Switch up the heat, just vibe. I got the leng in mind. Compared to you, I shine. Whip up the spliff, don't pass that. I keep my gram, no hashtags. I need to smoke what's mine.
Get fucked up, keep your eyes shut. This is our vibe, let your mind run. Let the hit ride, take the highs off. Don't be shy, just keep them legs up. Let the meds drop, feel the bed rock. Let's get fucked up, keep your eyes shut. This is our vibe, let your mind run. Let the hit ride, take the highs off. Don't be shy, just keep them legs up. Let the meds drop. Let.